A very warm welcome to the channel. It's Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024. Yep. And what you just saw in the video before, I'll explain a little bit later. But what I want to show you are some pictures taken by a drone on July the 20th, 2024, where it shows, I will show you now, some of the pictures of the Three Gorges Dam in China's central Hubei province, and continuing to discharge water. And you can see how many floodgates or sluice gates or holes which are open to relieve the water in the Three Gorges reservoir. Unfortunately, what's going to happen with that is it's going to discharge the water and flood some of the lowlands, I do believe a little bit like this. But we can have a look at the reservoir levels at the moment, and you can see there the inflow and the outflow is near enough the same at 34,000, and it has gone up a little bit at 161 meters. Now, I always have to say this, the maximum level should be around about 175, and the Three Gorges Dam is around 180 to 185 meters tall. So there's lots of room there in the Three Gorges Dam. But again, we can go into the theories that this small piece of concrete, basically, compared to 660 kilometers of a reservoir with 150 meters average depth, along with, they would say, billions of tons of cubic meters of water, it's tiny, and that's why we worry about it. It seems to be a really bad summer for China at the moment. Please note, China is a huge country, and this is not everywhere, but it's in so many different provinces. We can read this one, the semi-desert province of Jiangsu, which neighbors Shaanxi, this is in the north of China, and Henan in central China, were also hit by heavy rains this week. In Sichuan, which is in the west of China, again, we've got some flooding problems there. China is enduring a summer of extreme weather with heavy rains across the east and south, coming as much as the north, and sweltering heat in different places. So it's a mixed bag of goodies. It's a kettle of fish there. It's just hard time in China, and I'm sure people are looking forward to when the summer is over, because it hasn't been a pleasant summer in not all but many places in the People's Republic of China. To make it easier to understand, instead of me waffling on for hours and hours, let me just show you the weather forecast for the next 7, something like that, days. And you can see, I have put the hand over certain places. So the first one is going to be approximately by the Three Gorges Dam, but I'm going to move the hand around, and you can see the millimeters of rain predicted from Beijing to Shanghai, to the west, to the east, to the north, all the way down to the south, let's say southeast, let's say in the area of Hong Kong. Now, away from that, what is happening here? Now, I cannot verify this video, but it looks like just something's not correct. And this is meant to be in the Great Wall of China, on the Great Wall of China, where there was a gust of wind, very heavy rain, and people were taking shelter. Again, I can't verify this, but it's quite scary what it looks like. And one more piece of weather related to the what's happening in China. If you think it's bad enough, well, now we got a tropical cyclone or a hurricane or a typhoon coming to the country of China. It's been through the Philippines. Today, again, is Monday the 22nd. You can see on the map here that on Thursday it's going to be on the island or the country of Taiwan, and possibly on this weekend coming it's going to hit eastern China. This is going to be like Fuzhou, Shanghai kind of area. I will show you the satellite image from this as well at the moment. And that brings us to a close again on Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024. The normal customary message, please do like, it's free of charge, subscribe, it's free of charge, and you can support this channel if you want to through Patreon. You can do a super thanks if you want to do so, and many thanks for the people who do, or you can become a member. All the links are in the description below. Wherever you are in the world, thank you so much for your time, and I will look forward to showing you another video about mainly China or Cambodia or Thailand in the very near future. Cheerio, and thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.
可以。